Hi, welcome to my channel. Do you struggle with lining your sleeveless dresses? Today I am going to show you how I achieved this. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel and drop a comment. Let's get to it. So guys, after cutting out your pattern on the fabric, sew the shoulder of the lining separately and then the shoulder of the main fabric separately. After doing that, join them together at the neckline, right sides facing, and then you turn it over, understitch it and iron it. After that, to do a concealed lining, you fold one side like this, bring this up, the lining, bring it up, and then the main fabric, put it underneath. So that means you're sandwiching what you folded between the lining and the main fabric. Now place it right sides facing and pin. And then you sew with your seam allowance. I have sewn it now. Notch it. To bring it out, put your hands through and pull out this one. You see what I have? So I'm going to iron it and then I will understitch on the lining. All right, you may not be able to reach here, so understitch from here up to somewhere here, and then understitch from here up to somewhere here. Okay, so I've understitched. Okay, now for this part you do the same thing. Fold this and then you bring this up, the lining, bring it up, and then the main fabric, put it underneath. So that means you're sandwiching what you folded between the lining and the main fabric. Now place it right sides facing and pin. And then you sew with your seam allowance. I have sewn it now. Notch it. After notching it, you pull it out through the space you have here. Make sure you're gentle. So you see what I have? This top part is fully lined, all right, and it doesn't even have a zipper or anything. So this is the technique I use when I want to line a sleeveless dress. Now I'm going to understitch from here straight to here, okay, and after understitching we will sew the sides. To sew the sides, what you do is to fold it on the shoulder, right sides facing like this, and then separate the lining and the main fabric. On the other side as well, separate the lining and the main fabric. You ensure that the seam allowance, it matches. Pin it. So you pin it from here straight down, follow the pocket straight to the hem. You do the same thing to the other side. Separate the lining and the main fabric on both sides. Put the seam allowance against each other. Ensure it matches. Place the lining against each other as well, like this. And then you sew from here, the lining straight down, follow the pockets straight to the hem. Hem your fabric, and that will be all. So guys, after sewing, this is what I have. You have to open up all the seams. You iron it open, okay? You see? Same thing on the other side. You have to iron it well so that it can stay down. So guys, you see how it is? It is very neat. Alright. This is what the other side looks like. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and also please drop a comment. Bye.